Topic discussed in this session is about introduction to political, economic, social, cultural and technological environment of international business. Political environment, it refers to the influence of the system of government and judiciary in a nation on international business. The type and structure of government prevailing in a country decides, promotes, fosters, encourages, shelters, directs and controls the business of that country. Political system related to the business is government approach towards the business, legal obligations for acquiring specific licenses to run a business, limitations on obtaining technical knowledge, raw material and capital goods. There are constraints related to exports and goods, constraints related to the distribution and pricing of goods, probable constraints for establishing a business. There is a direct impact of the prevailing political system on the way the business is conducted in any country. Political environment is a vital part of the following aspects of international business environment that focuses on the type of government, political hazards or dangers in respective countries, government connections with the business fraternity. In executing the cross-border trade in international business environment, it indicates dealing with different government constraints, probable risks, and political scenarios. In political environment, we have discussed about the influence of political environment on conduct of a business in any country. Let's understand the cultural environment and its impact on international business. The cultural environment is the most complex and tricky component of international business environment. The cultural environment is a demonstration of general belief and the value of the people residing in a particular nation. You must also note that belief and value is not inculcated overnight, as their formation is based on years of history, religions, and language. While analyzing the cultural attributes, one must look into the following aspects, which are as follows: the society's approach towards business, influence of cultural factors in the product's acceptability, the lifestyle of people in a specific domain, potential regarding the acceptability of change. Acceptance of change is not that easy. There is always a resistance for accepting change. Value or beliefs attached to specific products. Every nation has its core values and beliefs, which will be attached and exhibited towards the products or services. The consumption patterns of the buyers in that nation. Economic environment of business. The economic environment consists of external factors in the business market and the broader economy that can influence a business. You can divide the economic environment into micro and macro. Micro environment, which affects the business decision making, such as individual actions of firms and consumers, and the macroeconomic environment, which affects an entire economy and all its participants. Micro factors includes competitors, demand, market size, suppliers, how they supply the goods, that is the chain of distribution, for example, through retail stores, dealers or distributors or through online markets. Macroeconomic factors includes unemployment, inflation rate, rate of interest, gross domestic product growth, taxes, prevailing exchange rates, savings rates, levels of consumer confidence, how much discretionary income consumers have, that is income after paying tax, social security, and so on. Economic environment in international business of the country is yet another key element that affects international trading in one way or another. The economic environment exhibits the country's potential for fostering foreign trade. Nations with weaker gross domestic product are less likely to facilitate the platform or any framework that supports international trading in international business environment. The economic environment could be the deciding factor for someone who is expecting a higher rate of return against the trading of their goods and services. In general, all countries have a distinct economic environment. Underdeveloped economies normally lack better infrastructure, technical advancement, healthcare facilities are coined to be extremely important for the well being of a particular business. It means that not all nations support international trading due to their undermined economic situations, such as countries like Somalia. Sudan is not favorable for executing foreign trade because of their subpar economic conditions and ongoing crisis. Let's discuss about technological environment in international business. Technological environment means the development in the field of technology which affects business by new inventions, productions and other improvement in techniques to perform the business work. The technological environment demonstrates the country's potential in terms of the availability of raw materials and machineries required for manufacturing the products. In general, no companies can control the external environment. Therefore, seamless adaptation is something that can keep the firm ahead of the curve. Technological environment, companies who are willing to take a swift transition to newer technology are more likely to capture the potential market as quickly as anybody else. In addition to that, the quicker adoption of new technology ensures a competitive edge. The paradigm of global trading deters the approaches that advocate the non acceptance of technological innovation. The swift adoption of new technology could help the firms to gain a competitive advantage and reap higher returns over investment in domestic as well as international market. In this session, we have covered about the political environment, social, cultural, economic, and technological environment of international business.